What's up, fam? Today I'm giving you my sweet chili lettuce wraps because you guys asked for the recipe, so I'm making sure to give it to you. We're going to start off by browning our meat and seasoning it. Of course, we're going to add our sauce that I made. I make sure to put the directions at the top. And then that right there is going to also give it a nice color. I'm going to dice our mushrooms and add that as well. It gives it a nice meaty texture. And then we're just going to mix all of this together, making sure that it's brown in the pan. Now remember, we made a sauce a while back. We're going to add that as well as some onion, celery, and carrots. Now we're just going to stuff our lettuce wraps. I'm just going to put it right down the middle. You don't want to put too much because you want to make sure that you are able to fold it just like as if it was a little taco. And afterwards, I'm just going to put a little bit of cabbage as well because that's what gives me a nice crunch. Now remember that you can stuff this whatever you like, but I wanted to have a nice sweet chili Asian vibe. So here are my lettuce wraps. I added some sweet chili sauce that I got from Trader Joe's, and you can get it from other places as well. And then you can enjoy this with your friends, family members, by yourself, or even with bae like me. Thanks for watching, guys.